Hi family, my name is Justice Osei. I'm a Ghanaian and I can imitate every sound of animal in this world.
Justice, thank you so much for coming, bro.
Okay.
Like, I can't believe this.
Yeah.
They told me that you can imitate every sound of an animal in this world.
Yeah, it was, yes, sir.
How true is that?
Oh, yeah, it's true.
Very true.
Yeah.
Before I continue, do you know a bulldog?
Oh, yeah.
Can you make a sound of a bulldog?
Yeah.
Hey, chill, bro. Chill. No, how did you do this?
Oh, it's like I started learning from my childhood.
Childhood.
Yeah.
So you started learning.
Yeah.
It's not like you were born with it.
Yeah, okay, you know what? It's my talent.
It's your talent.
If I hear the sound of that animal, I would know how to use my, I want to know. Yeah.
Okay, so like, a man found one, I would say, no, you have to.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
This is crazy, bro. Yeah. I mean, I didn't believe, but from this one, I think I have to believe you. But you know, I don't know so many animals, so okay. I think I will have to take you to my friends because all of them, I think they have something to say. So let's go there and let's see what they have to offer. Yeah. I met this young man here in Kumasi, and he told me that he can imitate every sound of an animal in this world, and I don't think it's true. Really? So I want to bring him in here. Whatever animal that you know, just name it. And let's see whether he can imitate the sound for us. Okay. Are you ready for them?
Oh, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Are you ready for us?
He's asking, are you ready? Are you ready for us?
Okay, now let's go for frog.
Yeah. Okay.
Frog. Let's go for a punching. Good. Let's go for one sunny. Bulldog.
I need your question.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Rat.
Okay, cat. Cow.
Lizard. Benchem. Crocodile. Chicken. Sheep.
Can you guys believe it?
Yes. Okay, I have
It's
a surprise for
wonderful.
him.
It's my
I want him to give me a son of a pregnant woman.
Are you crazy?
Elephant.
Yeah. Elephant.
Cheated wife.
Pig. Bird.
Cock.
Wonderful.
The sound of a dolphin.
Okay, dolphin.
A dolphin?
Cheated wife. That was the funniest thing of
Wow. No, bro, like, come closer. How long did it take you to learn all this?
Okay, I learned it when I was maybe 10 years. Yeah.
10 years.
Yeah, I started learning from 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
So which means you were 10 years old.
Yeah.
What inspired you? I didn't know all count. I would say
okay. Me share Guinness Book of Record. And American Got Talent. Okay. So anytime I should be motivating me, me reach that level.
Reach that level. Until main goal, I would say, within Guinness Book of Record. This is a Bobby we asked me about me.
Oh yeah. We not been quite amiss.
Meaning that like a Bobby is definitely one of Mujina Manka.
Yeah.
But it opens out what they come on.
Snake.
Yeah. Hey, the snake they opens me Janiana.
Sakrama ide babona.
Okay.
Kroko. Son of a mouse. The cricket. I want to surprise you. Some man I boy use my friends say, "Ebu bro."
Okay.
Yeah. Say, on say one son you can see me. Yeah. Mosquito king.
And now I just slap you right. Slap you. It's mosquitoes, man. It's mosquitoes. But hey, you know what? This is unbelievable. Yeah. Like I think I've met one person who can do this, and this needs to be shared. I mean, can you just help him because he wants to reach Guinness Book of Record? Your name has to be there, yeah. Yeah. So what do you want them to do? Open somewhere them out.
But me here will be subscribe channel now and share.
Yeah. So like please help us share this video. Do you have Facebook?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put his Facebook account in there so that if you wanna reach out to him directly. If you really wanna help him get to where he wants to be, please do so. I mean, I'm gonna put all the information that you need to reach out to him. So boy, Mr. Ghana baby, still here in Kumasi, and yeah, I think I can cry like a bulldog.